Hello my friends, it's me. Welcome to our channel where we learn and play. Today I am going to teach you how to clean your toys. But first, let's sing a little song. Clean is cool, clean is neat. Clean is cool, clean is neat. When we clean our toys and put them away, we are ready to play again another day. Clean is cool. Do you like that song? Let's clean our toys together. Come on. Here are all my toys and they are all dirty. Let's clean them one by one. First, I will clean my teddy bear. I will brush his fur so he will look brand new. Like a bear, clean and fresh and fluffy and new. My teddy bear is very, very dirty. I need to clean him some more. Let's add some bubbles and get scrubbing. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Teddy bear, clean and neat. Look at my teddy bear. He is so fluffy and nice. I love my teddy bear. Now I will clean my building blocks. I will stack them up nice and neat. So clean and neat. Look, no more mess. Bye-bye mess. Now my blocks are ready for another day. Clean, clean, building blocks. We love to play. Now it's time to clean my train. Choo, choo. Let's make the train go. The train is dirty. Let's give it a wipe. Wipe, wipe. All clean. My train is shiny and new. I can't wait to play with my train. It's time to clean my rocking horse. Up and down, up and down. Let's brush his hair. Brush, brush, brush. My rocking horse is ready for another day. He's clean and neat. We did it. All my toys are clean. I put them away. Now it's time to play. Clean is cool. Clean is fun. Let's keep our toys clean and put them away. Then we can all sing and dance and play all day. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more fun and learning. See you next time.